Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have Moriah Elizabeth inspired nail art. Moriah Elizabeth is a crafts YouTuber. She first gained fame, I believe, by uploading her artwork. She's a talented YouTuber who draws, paints, and creates these vibrant pictures, and they're always super cute. She later got big with her videos fixing, creating, and decorating these weird squishy toys. Her creativity, wit,
to try to be creative and come up with my own style, and I think this looks good. I'm just kidding.
and just 10 out of 10 sense of humor.
Hey guys, so today
Those are the reasons why I have decided to subscribe to her on my own personal YouTube account. You can check her channel out, it is linked below. Now let's get started. For some reason, it shows up as bright yellow, and I'm not sure why, but you're going to start off with a bright green base. And for some reason, I always have trouble sticking on charms, so here is me struggling to stick on another charm, a cupcake charm. The ring finger is inspired by Opie, which is Moriah's cat. He sometimes shows up and becomes a nuisance.
they've just recently, Opie, rude. Who raised you? Alright, anyway, Opie.
But generally he just chills in the background. Starting with the bare nail, you're going to take a makeup sponge and yank off a piece of it to achieve a jagged edge. Then you're going to paint the tip with a pastel pink and dab it on the nail halfway up. Now you're going to paint the tip of your nail with the vague shape of a cat head in mustard yellow. Finally, you want to outline the features in black. And so we move on to the middle and index finger. These nails can either be drawn as blue with a white stripe or white with blue stripes. Just make sure that your white stripes are opposite, sort of like a checkerboard when you put them together. Much like a candy cane, you want to stripe the white part with pink polish. And finally, we move on to the thumb, which is Moriah's logo and her profile picture. Now personally, I feel like it's easier to start out with a white base and draw the symbol before you draw on the rainbow colors background, just because it takes really long for all the colors to dry so that you have a flat base to draw the symbol on, but you can do it in whichever order you want. Now, partially the easiest part, you are just going to line down the colors around the symbol. Don't worry about messing it up, we're going to go over the lines again. And finally, you want to draw the ME with the heart, which is her signature, right in the middle. After you're finished with that, go over all the lines with black and then fill in any parts of the symbol that you got paint in with white, just for a cleaner look. So, what do you think? Did I nail it or did I fail it? Please like and subscribe. The music is in the description, and thank you so much for watching.